hidden virus on your Android could be stealing your passwords or spying on you right now. Here's how you can wipe it out and take back control fast. If any part of this video helped you, please show some love by like the video and leave a sweet comment. So friends, first of all, make sure that you are signed into Google. Then hey, go to the 3 dots here. Now, from here, you need to go to the Delete Browsing Data option. On this page, tap on this arrow. Then, select All Time. Next, friends, go to More Options. Here, make sure that these 3 options are selected. After that, tap on Delete Data. Then confirm by tapping Delete. Okay friends, now this is where the real work starts. Next, let's check your downloads. Open the Files app or your file manager, depending on your device. Look in Installation Files or APKs. Here friends, if you see anything suspicious, delete it immediately. On my device, there's nothing, so I'm all good. Alright, now go back. Enter your internal storage. Then go to your Downloads folder. And if you see any file that looks suspicious or strange, delete it immediately. Oh, and don't skip this step. Most people miss it, but trust me, it's super important. Now friends, let's use Google Play Protect to find and remove viruses. Open the Play Store, then tap your profile and select Play Protect. Next, tap Scan to check your apps. Here's the thing, this step catches stuff that most antivirus apps completely miss, so don't skip it. And don't worry if nothing shows up. This isn't perfect, but it finds a lot of hidden threats. If you're still here, then hey, I'd recommend you install a trusted antivirus app. Search for Virus in the Play Store and pick an app with great reviews, like AVG, Norton 360, or Malwarebytes. Install the app. And once it's open, run a full scan. This will show any hidden problems. If you still feel something's off, then it's time for safe mode. Open the shortcut menu. Tap the power off icon. Then press and hold the power button and tap safe mode. Your phone will restart and prevent most viruses from running. In safe mode, you can safely disable or delete malicious apps that normally hide. While in safe mode, go to Settings, then head to Apps, and look for anything suspicious. Tap it and choose Clear Cache and Clear Data. Disable or uninstall if possible. This stops sketchy apps from running. Once your phone is in safe mode, just do a normal restart and boom, safe mode will turn off automatically. Your phone will start normally just like before. Finally, if you really want to be 100% sure, back up your phone and do a factory reset. Here's how to do it. Go to Settings, then tap Accounts and Backup. Next, go to Backup to save your data. Make sure it's turned on. Select all options and then confirm. After that, tap Backup Now. Then go to General Management. Select Reset and finally choose Factory Data Reset. Warning, this will wipe everything on your phone and give it a fresh start. So make sure you are doing the factory data reset at your own risk. I hope this helps you get rid of any virus for good. Don't forget to hit subscribe and leave a comment if you have any questions.